It's a blessing to be less than I get credit for. Since I didn't pass the test, I can love you more. Couldn't see the difference, though it was black and white. Didn't reach out for your hands, more or less those times. You deserve my blessing, all I can be. The shades I wear conceal these things, but missing you is easier since we're not far apart. Ooh, and as the waves go rolling by, there's something on my heart, wondering how you feel it when you're passing through. And when it's alright sometimes, if I come with you, is it really you? I wish I could be the shore upon which you shall say, reveling in your love each dawning day. You're a divine rain, all I wanna do is feel your touch and dance in you. Ooh. I wasn't really asking, but you could have just said no. A question for an answer leaves things to be unknown. But after some reflection, all you really had to do was say, I won't fall for you that way. And I'd still love you anyway. Like a wishing well that answers when you call and gets its own wish granted every time you fall. Repleted with every drop of rain. Ooh, 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 ooh. Even when I'm full, you're welcome again. Come again. I wish I could be the ground to catch your every drop, wishing you would come and never stop. I wish I could be your sun that shines after you fall, whether or not I get to come at all. Ooh. You deserve my blessing and all that I can be. I guess it's worth confessing, yo, signs I did not see. The shades I wear reveal these things. The love we share conceals these things. And